Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iodine tincture using an easy method. First, ensure you have all your materials ready, including pure iodine crystals and high-proof ethanol. Safety is paramount, so always wear gloves and eye protection. Work in a well-ventilated space to prevent inhaling any vapors. This simple process requires careful attention to detail for a safe and effective outcome. Now, let's prepare the solution. Carefully measure out 2 1/2 grams of pure iodine crystals. Next, transfer these crystals into a clean, dark glass bottle. Add 50 milliliters of high-proof ethanol to the bottle. Gently stir or swirl the mixture until all the iodine crystals are completely dissolved. This creates a 2% iodine tincture, a common and useful concentration. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the tincture's effectiveness. Always store your homemade iodine tincture in a dark, airtight glass bottle. Exposure to light and air can degrade the solution over time. Keep the bottle in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight or heat sources. When stored correctly, your iodine tincture can remain potent and useful for several years, ready when you need it. Iodine tincture has various applications, such as an antiseptic for minor cuts and scrapes. It can also be used for emergency water purification, adding a few drops per liter. Remember to always dilute it properly before use and consult a professional for medical advice. For more valuable insights and to truly change how you think about money, check out the book linked in the description, along with other helpful deals. Your financial journey can start today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.